Hi, it's Daniel Im here, and this is Daniel Im Presents How to Make Your Own Comic Strip. So let's go ahead and get started. So there are actually a lot of websites where you can create your own comic strip, but for today we're going to use Pixton. So Pixton is actually not meant for Marvel characters. However, the Marvel website is actually developing its own create your own comic strip, so we're not going to be able to do that today. Instead, we're going to use Pixton to learn the basics of how to make a comic strip. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create your own account. So hit the sign up button, and once you do so, there are going to be some information that you need to fill out, such as I'm a student, your name, your birthday, your email, and etc. After you do so, go ahead to your email that you provided the website with and click the confirm link in order to create your account. After you do so, the website is actually gonna give you a tutorial, but for the sake of this video, I will be your guide for the tutorial itself. So go ahead and decline the website's tutorial, and let's get started. So on the top left of your screen, you're going to see this pencil icon in blue. You're going to want to click it, and once you do so, you're going to get to a page like this where you will be able to see a Create New button in the middle of the screen. You're going to click it, and then you're going to come to this page where you will be able to choose one of these three options. And because we are trying to create a comic strip, we're going to select this one. After you do so, you'll be able to choose the basic option or the advanced option. But because we are all beginners here and we're all trying to learn, we're going to go ahead and select the basic one. After you do so, you're going to come to this page where you see choose a background. And for us, for today, we will choose the beach. And once you choose that option, you'll be able to see different types of sceneries for the beach. And for us, we're going to go ahead and choose the first one. Once you do so, you're going to come to this page where you're going to choose the amount of different characters that you want in your comic strip. And for today, we will choose 2 characters. After you do so, you're going to come to this page where you're going to choose the different characters. So for me, character 1 will be this male, and character 2 will be this female. After you do so, just wait while it loads. It may take a couple seconds, but it's okay. Okay, so when we get here, the first thing you're going to want to do is insert a title. And the title we are going to choose today is A Fight at the Beach. Once you do so, just click out in order to set that as your title. And you can edit it later if you want. Next thing you're going to want to do is notice these 2 yellow icons. The first one is add character, but we already have 2 characters, so let's ignore that. And the second one will be add background, but because we set the background already, let's ignore that one too. Okay, so now the next thing you're going to want to do is you see these 2 text bubbles. You're going to be able to click it and write anything that you want. So for the female, let's write you are frail and click anywhere outside to set it. And for the male, let's click the bubble and write you are ugly and click out. So after you do so, let's keep it like this and pay attention to this one. This blue box with the plus sign, it's to add another panel. Once you do so, wait a couple seconds and you're going to see an identical panel to the left one. However, in order to make this comic strip look like it's moving forward, we're going to click the character and we are going to change her expression. Once you click preset expressions, you can click on keywords and type in the expression that you want. So for the female, we're going to write angry. Click the search button, and you're going to come to these, choose one. Do the same for the guy. Write in the same thing, angry. We can also change the pose. So it would be boring to keep it like this. So let's click on preset poses and write explaining. And the guy's pose looks like they're actually arguing, so it's fine. You can actually move the characters around too, and you can see the speech bubble following the character around. So let's bring her a little closer. With the guy, let's bring him a little closer as well. So let's write, for the female, how rude. And with the guy, we can write, you started it. And click outside to confirm. So this is the basics of what you can do. You can continue adding more panels to further the story, but if you are not having enough time, you can click Save for Later right here. Or if you're finished, you can choose one of these three options. So for me, let's click Save for Later. And yeah, oh, sorry about these. These are actually the practice ones that I did. So after you are finished making your comic strip, you can just wait, or you can continue practicing on here, and then you can later do it on the Marvel website. So practice and just have fun with it. Share it with your friends too if you want. And the reason why I'm bringing up the Marvel website is because my own website is marveluniversemania.wordpress.com. Feel free to follow me for updates and posts and for more information about the Marvel Universe. Thanks for watching. This was Dan on how to make your own comic strip.